Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About the first one, we can put into 5x into 6x minus x. Next, we can do about factorization by x. This one by number 6. Next, we can do another factorization by s minus 1. Next, we simplify s minus 1 on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put s approach to number 1 cone here. So we have 1 plus 6 equals to number 7. Now let's go to question number 2. We can use the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So in this one, we see that number 4, that is about 2 squared. So we apply the formula in here, and we have u minus 2, u plus 2. This one we can do another factorization by u. Next, we simplify u minus 2 on numerator and denominator. And now, I will put number 2 cone here and here. And then we have the final answer. And that's about 1 over 2. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b, everything to the power of 2. So we apply this formula in here, and we have y minus 1 to the power of number 2. Next, about this one, I will put 2y into 3y minus y. So y and y we can do about factorization. Number 3 and number 3 we can do another factorization. So y minus 1 we can do another factorization. So y minus 1 we have the power 2. Later that, this one simplified by this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.